Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome to the channel where language meets with elegance. I am Mr. Victor, your dedicated Queen's English tutor. Today, I'll be sharing some uncommon idioms that will help you speak with flair, precision, and a touch of charm. Each of these idioms will come with its meaning, an example sentence, and which phrase it can replace so you can upgrade your vocabulary on the spot. Let's begin. First on our list is to steal someone's thunder. To steal someone's thunder. This means to gain attention or praise by using someone else's ideas or effort before they have the chance to present it. Here is a sentence. Jessica has prepared a brilliant proposal, but Mark presented similar idea and completely stole her thunder. But to be simply put, you can say he presented her idea before she did. Next is to throw one's hat into the ring. To throw one's hat into the ring. This is a graceful way to say that someone has decided to participate in a challenge or contest. Sentence. After much thought, she decided to throw her hat into the ring for the leadership role. In a simpler phrase, you can say she decided to try. Here is another one. To cut no ice with someone. To cut no ice with someone. This means your words or actions fail to convince or impress. For example, he cut no ice with the principal. She still gave him a detention. But you can simply say she wasn't convinced. Next up, move the goalpost. This is a useful idiom when referring to someone who keeps changing the rules unfairly. To move the goalpost. For example, they keep moving the goalpost during the negotiation. It's exhausting. To be simply put, you can say they keep changing things. Next is to speak volumes. This means something implies a lot without any word at all. For example, his silence spoke volumes about his disappointment. But in a simpler tone, you can say he was clearly upset. Next is a feather in one's cap. This means a proud achievement. A feather in one's cap. For example, completing the international training was a feather in her cap. The next idiom is to raise eyebrows. To raise eyebrows. Raise eyebrows. Raise eyebrows. I like this one. This simply means to cause a sudden shock or surprise. For example, his sudden resignation raised eyebrows across the office. To raise eyebrows. The next idiom is in the same breath. I like this one. This simply means saying two conflicting things at the same time, in the same breath. For example, she praised his project and in the same breath criticized the method. The next one is very common. To bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. This phrase simply means to do something unpleasant or difficult. To bite the bullet. For example, I finally bit the bullet and paid the overdue bills. And finally is to keep someone at arm's length. To keep someone at arm's length. This phrase means to maintain emotional distance. For example, after the incident, she decided to keep him at arm's length. And that is it. Remember, words are powerful, but elegant words, they are totally unforgettable. So, the next time you want to impress, don't just say it with style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more refined English phrases and idioms. Until next time. Speak well, live well. Bye.